If you love custard as much as I do, today I'm going to show you what to do with some so good custard. I am going to make passion fruit custard slices, but it will be a no-bake version, so it's simple, it is easy. If guests arrive, you can do it in a flash. Let's get started. So as I mentioned, the packet in here is the batch pack, 150 grams. And now, just whisk it together. As you can see, quite a stiff batter is being formed. So obviously you need something quite stiff, quite thick, otherwise it will be runny. This is exactly what we need. Crackers is packed. And I'm literally just going to spoon in some custard. There we go. Spread it out, filling all the crackers. Our filling is done, and now one layer of biscuits on top. Our biscuits is packed, and now the last step, our icing sugar. We're now going to mix the two together to create vanilla icing. As you can see, our icing is done, and now just spoon it and your cracker mixture. This will now go into the refrigerator, and within 1 hour from now, we will be having custard slices. Our custard slices is done, and as they say, the taste is in the pudding and the eating the oil.